Hello, my name is Nazila Shifa. My student number is 04021382328097.
Hello, my name is Nidaul Hasana Syahaan. My student number is 040213828096.
Today we are going to discuss paragraph 8 of the reading passage about the Comstock Lode.
Yes, let's begin our discussion.
What was the main problem faced by miners in the Comstock Lode?
The mine was flooded by large amounts of hot water. How hot could the water become?
In some places, the water is 64 degrees Celsius. Why was the hot water important geologically?
It suggested that a large mass of hot igneous rock still existed beneath the Comstock Lode. What made this rock still be producing?
It might still be producing minerals. How did the hot water affect the mining?
It made mining below 1,000 meters impossible for a long time. What dangers did miners face?
Some miners fell into the hot water while others suffered from exhaustion. How many miners did during the period mentioned?
53 miners died in the 22 months ending in May 1877. What solution was chosen to solve the problem?
A 6-kilometer tunnel was planned to drain water and improve ventilation. What was the tunnel called?
It was called the Sutro Tunnel. What were the main purpose of building it?
It was built to drain water and ventilate the mine workings. Was the tunnel complete quickly?
No, it took many years of hard work to complete. What difficulties occurred during construction?
The builders faced physical obstacles and financial crises. How were these challenges described in the passage?
The successful effort to overcome them became legendary. What major project was the tunnel compared to?
It was compared to the first transcontinental railway in the United States. Why was this comparison made?
Because both projects required great engineering effort and perseverance. What does the paragraph tell us about the miners' working condition?
Their working conditions were dangerous because of the hot water and extreme temperatures. Why was the flooding problem especially severe at Comstock?
It was especially severe because the flood water was extremely hot. What does this suggest about underground condition?
It suggests the presence of hot geological activity beneath the mine. Why was ventilation considered necessary?
Ventilation helps reduce the impact of heat in the mine. Besides ventilation, what other function did the tunnel have?
It was used to drain water from the mine. Why was reducing water important?
It helped make mining operations safer and more practical. What happened to many miners before the tunnel was built?
Many miners did because of the dangerous conditions. What caused some of these deaths?
Some miners fell into hot water, while others died from exhaustion. What does this tell us about the severity of the problem?
It shows that situation was extremely dangerous. Why is the Sutro Tunnel remembered today?
It is remembered because of its importance and the challenges faced during in construction. What is the main idea of this paragraph?
The paragraph explains the dangers caused by hot water and the construction of the Sutra Tunnel as a solution. What information impressed you the most?
I was most impressed by the fact that 53 miners died in only 20 months. What impressed you the most?
I was most impressed by the construction of the 6-kilometer Sutra Tunnel despite many obstacles. What lesson can we learn from this paragraph?
We can learn that major problem can be solved through hard work, engineering, and persistence. Thank you for discussing this paragraph with me.
You are welcome. It was a great discussion. See you next time.
See you next time. Goodbye.